Stand by 55 minutes. We ain't waiting in line for that long. Y'all can stand in that motherfucker. We ain't standing. Lightning lane we go. Almost time to get on the ship. Let's go.
You'll find standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on. More ships launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. Agora dia, pera Athena.
Black leader.
Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake us, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that.
Distance done. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Real quick, get up there.
Tell what the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a...
Attention! Allies of the resistance. This ship is now under the command of the First Order. Everyone disembark and prepare for interrogation now.
You hear what Bria said? She said, yeah. She said, yeah. You must be a part of the First Order.
Facing the line to the right.
Line to the right. Thank you. He was so mean, but so nice at the same time. I just love this part. This is the best thing ever. That's why people taking pictures of it. Oh, don't say that to me, man. What up, blood? This is just so freaking awesome. It's the best part of the damn trip. Look, Bria and KJ looking like, man, who the heck is them white people over there? They standing there like they real, but they not. KJ, for the resistance. You ready to rock? Ah! And we touching buttons, girl. Yeah, what button you touching? Tell them we didn't pay for this rocket. Probably cost more than what Daddy making a year. Right, KJ? Cost more than what Daddy making. Yeah. They gonna repo the rocket.
Did it work? Good. Now get them on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it wasn't a
Start shooting. Start shooting.
Cover is blown.
Detachment POV.
Shoot.
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods are below us. Wait, up, down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
Neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
outside the wreck.
Let that drop.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Stafford's park beacon.
More escape pods down in sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
You're tracking.
How y'all like the ride, Bria? Hey, aye.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Let her ride. Love
I
it.
should hope so.
Let that
Great
drop,
job,
man.
recruits.
Yeah.
Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure.
They love the ride, didn't they? All in the front, man.
SR5,
That's how we
you too.